Hi, this is Madi Love, and welcome to this guided meditation for feeling supported and loved. Find a comfortable place where you can relax without any distractions. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, allowing your chest to expand fully. Hold your breath for a moment. Then exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be carrying. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a tranquil lake. Picture the surface of the water calm and serene, reflecting the clear blue sky above. Feel the soft ground beneath your feet, supporting you steadily. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this peaceful place where nature surrounds you with its gentle presence. As you stand by the lake, become aware of the warm, comforting light above your head. This light represents the love and support that surrounds you at all times, even when you may feel alone. With each breath you take, allow this light to descend slowly, enveloping you in a cocoon of warmth and security. Feel its gentle embrace as it wraps around your body, soothing any feelings of loneliness or isolation. Imagine now that this light is not just around you, but also within you, filling your heart with a profound sense of love and acceptance. You are worthy of this love, and you are never truly alone. Now repeat this silently or aloud to yourself. I am surrounded by love and support. I am worthy of love. Feel these affirmations resonating deeply within you, reinforcing your sense of belonging and connection. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the lake before you as a symbol of your inner peace and clarity. Its calm waters reflect the beauty of your soul, serene and untouched by external worries. Take a moment and ask yourself, What do you deserve in this moment to feel supported and loved? Listen quietly for any intuitive guidance or wisdom that arises for you. As you receive this guidance, allow yourself to fully accept and believe in the support and love that surrounds you. Feel gratitude for this moment of connection. When you are ready, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the peace and clarity you've experienced. Thank you for choosing you today. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.